Mount Vesuvius, 79 AD. Mount Vesuvius is a stratovolcano located in Campania, Italy. The crater that you see in the photo is from present day, and it's because of the previous volcanic activity that has happened here. One of the most well-known volcanic eruptions was on August 24th, 79 AD. Mount Vesuvius erupted, and its eruption lasted approximately 18 hours and would bury the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. The effects of this eruption were devastating for that region. There was loss of infrastructure, there was loss of agriculture. The eruption would carry debris and debris into the surrounding areas, as well as into the Bay of Naples. Mount Vesuvius is part of the chain of the Campanian volcanic arc, formed when Asia and Europe collided. The Eurasian plate and the African plate collision would cause what is known as a slab window. This slab window would be the reason that the chemical component of the rocks during a Mount Vesuvius eruption would make the rocks different than the other Campanian volcanoes. One of the most interesting stories is the story of Pliny the Younger. Pliny the Younger was 18 years old when he was living in Pompeii at the time of the explosion. He was one of the 2,000 survivors, and after the incident, he was able to account for what happened to Pompeii on August 24th, 79 AD. So he would interview other survivors. There were not many, and he would write down what had happened that day. And his records are the ones that we mainly look at when we try to find information on this specific eruption in 79 AD. In these pictures that you see here, they're the remains of some of the 30,000 people who were hiding and trapped during the eruption when the city was buried. And you can see here is the ash from the volcano was able to preserve a lot of the formations and kept in place how the body looked as they were being buried. Other interesting facts. So Mount Vesuvius in 2013 stand 4,203 feet tall. And one interesting fact is when Mount Vesuvius erupts, the volcano crater actually changes sizes. Another thing that is worth mentioning is it's one of the most dangerous volcanoes because of how close it's located to Naples and other nearby towns. Look at what happened to Pompeii and Herculaneum. Um, Due to the volcanic ash, the city of Pompeii was very conserved very well, and so photographers can now actually go and you can visit there actually, and you'll be able to take photos of what the body looks like in 79 AD. Um, Other thing that is noticeable is the fact that Mount Vesuvius erupted over 15 times in its history, and its most recent eruption in 1944 displaced 12,000 people and killed 26 people.